Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to adjust a liquid glass interface intensity slider on iOS 27. Let's open settings on your iPhone. Let's scroll down to appearance section and here open liquid glass. So you will see horizontal intensity slider, and if you want to have more transparent, then you have to move to the left like this. As you can see, it's like transparent, but if you want to have more tinted option, you can slide to the right, and that's how it looks on the preview. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and see you in the next one.